Chris here from Uniform Projects. Today I want to do an unboxing video of my just received Titleist T100 irons. Now these irons were released in August 2021 and I was not part of the early adapters, but still, when I ordered these sets back in January 2022, it still took 3 months to build to my spec and receive them due to the current supply chain constraint. To my surprise, I got them just now. When it comes to golf, I tend to favor Titleist due to their extensive R&D that goes in when building their products. On top of that, they tend to stay with the proven formula and the technology that ties into designing and developing their line of clubs. While trying out other clubs from many different brands, there are a few elements that brought me to finally decide on Titleist T100. I was looking for a refined look at a dress with matte finish. You know, the minimalistic look definitely helped here. Ultimately, these had the best feel in my hands. You know, you just can't miss that buttery feel when it's hit well. Also, I got them custom ordered with the Nippon Motors 3 and got them fitted. I'm no way near the level of players that aim for when it's, but it's definitely playable. I'll get there someday. You know, these irons are definitely one of the best looking irons out there. It's got the really sharp lines. For visual aspect, the top line is going to look really thin, depending on your preference. If you don't really like thin and short bladed like look, these irons are not for you. But anyhow, this will be the unboxing video. I'll do a short term and a long term review. I'll explain to you why I chose a Titleist T100 in the future. I've always been using the Titleist AP2s, and recently I got rid of them and I replaced it with the T100s. Hopefully I made the right choice. After I take them out to the field, I'll do another review. Alright, thanks guys for staying around. I'll come back with more reviews. Alright, bye.